Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. You're watching Oibu Games, and today we're going to be having a look at the Unreal Engine as a part of our how to make quick and easy games using open source code. So the project we're looking at today is Tappy Chicken. Now this is one of the free Unreal Engine projects that they give out. And I think we all know what game this is emulating. And you may have even played this Tappy Chicken itself. It is on the App Store an abundance of times from people who have done their own mods or just exported the game as is. So if you've watched our previous tutorial on Phaser, you'll know that pretty much all we got to do is locate... Oh, we've got an update. Oh, that should be fine. That's just for the launcher. All we have to do is locate our assets, find the pictures that are being used, and replace them. So here you can see, here's our Tappy Chicken. You tap and it flaps. Avoid the obstacles. I'm not very good. So before we looked at replacing the pictures, but also you can replace all the audio here as well. So let's go hunting for these assets. First I'll take a look at materials, and we can see a bunch of different things here. And the Unreal Engine has its whole own way of doing stuff. So we've got pictures which we call textures, and those textures then get made into materials, and then those materials get mapped into the game world. So I've just opened up here, you can see what we've actually got is a U asset file, which is a Unreal asset. So that's not the actual picture that we need to edit. So if you look here, I'm going source art, textures, and we've got here a bunch of PSD, Photoshop files, and TGA. It's probably best if I open this with GIMP, import the image, and that's going to be the same thing as before. We want to either alter or completely change the image. So I'm just going to go open and try and locate this file again. So where was it? I think I had it desktop, tutorials, Tappy Chicken. There we go. So this is in source art, textures, and here we have all of the source art for the game. So ideally you want to go through, change every single one of these to whatever it is you want to change it to. And then if you go back, you could also change the audio files and the whole lot. Change everything. Completely modify it to your own thing. So just for this example, I'm going to put a new layer, put it on darken, and just colour these buttons in green. And when I re-import it, you'll be able to see a difference. I might as well go ahead and edit the Tappy Chicken. I'll change that to say Tappy Turtle. And if you're not used to GIMP at all, I am going to be uploading a small series of just quick little tips to help you make some artwork or just change some artwork. Also, opengameart.org, I think it is. They've got loads of stuff on there. Loads of really cool people uploading all sorts of things. So I'm just going to go do a couple of bits, cut this out, insert the background colour, scribble a few bits on it, and I will be back in a minute. Okay, so once that's done, we're just going to do the same as before, which is overwrite the image. So now, what was Tappy Chicken 01 TGA is now the new version. So we will come down here, re-import the image, and bam, there we go. That is Tappy Turtle instead of Tappy Chicken. Obviously next you'd probably want to go and actually change the chicken itself to be Swanson, our little turtle friend. And that's it really. Press play, Tappy Turtle. So hopefully you've got a bit of an idea of what modifying a game is, where to find these assets, and hopefully your artwork's a little better than mine. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch up with you next time.